Compared to her speaking voice, I feel like, yes, we're getting that gorgeous head voice here, but it's got so much space, like so much fullness and warmth, which, you know, when you think of the vocal tract, whether it's space in the mouth or space in the pharynx, like she's giving us added space, even though the sound itself.
Halo Lur, selamat datang kembali dengan channel Rafiko. Admin doakan semoga semua selalu dalam keadaan sehat. Amin. Kali ini, kita akan menyaksikan reaksi dari 3 reaktor saat memeriksa Putri Aryani ketika tampil di acara America's Got Talent. Tanpa berlama-lama, mari kita mulai Lur.
Today, I am finally hearing the singer Putri Aryani for the very first time. I know her season of America's Got Talent is long over, but I have gotten so many requests to hear this young lady, so we are going all the way back to her first performance on the show.
And your bright eyes, we together in this land, promise we'll forever.
Oh my god.
Oh, jeez.
Beautiful. I did watch her in interview, I guess we'll say, like when she first came on stage and introduced herself, introduction maybe, to hear her speaking voice before she even started singing.
You went that way with her, and one thing I know, you break my heart, break my hope, make me so down and lonely.
So when she first started singing, I was a little surprised because her speaking voice sounded a bit higher to me. So many incredible things happened here, but also her delivery just, it was so artistic. There was so much happening, and I feel like a big part of this performance for me that was so captivating is just how sucked in I was, because she just gave us so much. So we're going back. I think it was about here.
Normally we pause, but that was too beautiful, and there's something about the story that adds to the performance for us that really means a lot to us. So they did that so perfectly.
Oh baby, you change your pain into the blue.
Hope this doesn't get blocked, because everyone needs to see this, and it's so healing. And just seeing someone, like I said Stevie Wonder before, because just playing on that piano, just having that pure emotion and not caring what anyone even cares about what you're looking like, because you can't care, and like it's just you add these extra senses that you get to add, and she made her own song and they didn't even know, and they're like, wait, what?
I'll stop and start. Who knows what's gonna happen with this one? I know it's tricky when we've got like TV shows, so I might have to block the screen and all of that, but if I can, I'm gonna try and point out these little details. Here we go.
You left me when I did, thought you were my best friend, being my prince, but I was wrong.
Compared to her speaking voice, I feel like, yes, we're getting that gorgeous head voice here, but it's got so much space, like so much fullness and warmth, which, you know, when you think of the vocal tract, whether it's space in the mouth or space in the pharynx, like she's giving us added space, even though the sound itself, it sounds very small and intimate.
Love your voice and your bright eyes.
That was the thing I loved. As soon as she sang that word voice, we already got a little bit more mix and a little more power.
Voice is so perfect because of, like you said, not having that sight, that vision, that sense, she is focusing so much on simply the emotion and the sound
soul,
and the feeling
heart.
and the soul and the heart of the music that I don't even know who they had microphoned there in the audience who was talking.
Thought you were my best friend, being my prince, but I was wrong.
Yeah, I wonder who that was, for sure.
But that person that lady had said she really understands and feels the music, and that was the perfect way to say this, because Putri Ariani has such a way of bringing that emotion out of it. The whole audience was crying. We're crying. Like, I've never seen Simon Cowell ask for an encore.
Is the most gorgeous mix, and it's so healthy. I love that she's using a lot of nasality to just take it easy, you know, like she's not forcing and pulling a ton of weight up or really engaging a ton of press. So it's just, it makes it so much easier knowing where this song goes, knowing where the line is about to go, knowing the height that she has to reach. By not pulling up so much weight this early on, I think she's just setting herself up so beautifully.
Saat Putri Ariani tampil di acara America's Got Talent, 3 reaktor yang hadir merasa terpesona oleh penampilannya yang memukau. Mereka terkesan dengan keahlian vokal dan keberaniannya untuk tampil di panggung sebesar itu. Putri Ariani membawakan lagu dengan penuh emosi dan memukau penonton serta juri dengan suara indahnya. Seorang reaktor perempuan yang ahli dalam penilaian bakat merasa kagum dengan penampilan Putri Ariani di acara America's Got Talent. Ia mengamati dengan seksama setiap gerakan dan ekspresi wajah Putri Ariani selama penampilannya. Reaktor ini menghargai keberanian dan ketulusan Putri Ariani dalam menyampaikan pesan lagu melalui penampilannya yang memukau. Penampilan Putri Ariani di acara America's Got Talent berhasil membuat para reaktor dan penonton terpesona. Suara merdunya dan kehadiran panggung yang kuat menciptakan kesan yang mendalam. Reaktor lainnya juga terkesan dengan keterampilan vokal Putri Ariani dan kemampuannya untuk menghadirkan penampilan yang penuh gairah dan keberanian. America's Got Talent adalah panggung yang menuntut dan kompetitif. Namun Putri Ariani mampu menguasainya dengan kepiawaian dan bakatnya. Reaktor-reaktor yang hadir merasa terhibur dan terinspirasi oleh penampilan Putri Ariani yang mengesankan. Mereka mengakui bahwa Putri Ariani memiliki potensi besar dan memiliki masa depan yang cerah di dunia hiburan. Kesuksesan Putri Ariani di acara America's Got Talent menjadi bukti akan bakat dan ketekunan yang dimilikinya. Reaktor-reaktor yang menyaksikan penampilannya merasa bangga dan terinspirasi oleh perjalanan karirnya. Mereka yakin bahwa Putri Ariani memiliki potensi untuk mencapai hal-hal yang lebih besar lagi di dunia hiburan, dan mereka sangat menantikan apa yang akan ia capai selanjutnya. Itulah Lur untuk reaksi kali ini. Sampai jumpa lagi di video lainnya bersama channel Rafiko. Admin ucapkan terima kasih telah menonton.